Hello everyone, welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. If you want to speak English confidently in real-life situations, you are in the right place. Yes, today's lesson is very practical and very useful. We are going to learn 50 important English sentences used at the market. This lesson is perfect for beginners and also helpful for intermediate learners. Please listen carefully, repeat after us, and imagine that you are standing in a market. Entering the market. Sentences 1 through 5. When you enter a market, you usually greet the shopkeeper. Let's practice some greeting sentences. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. How are you today? I came here to buy groceries. These sentences help you start the conversation politely. Asking for products. Sentences 6 through 15. Now you want to ask for things you need. Repeat after us. Do you have fresh vegetables? I am looking for apples. Can I get some tomatoes, please? I need onions and potatoes. Do you sell fruits here? Here are more useful sentences. Please show me this item. I want to buy rice. Do you have this in a smaller size? I need 1 kilo of sugar. Give me half a kilo of carrots. These sentences are simple and commonly used in daily life. Asking about price. Sentences 16 through 25. Price is a very important part of shopping. Listen and repeat. How much is this? How much does this cost? What is the price per kilo? How much are these apples? Is this fresh or old? Now, some bargaining-related sentences. That is too expensive. Can you give me a discount? Please reduce the price. This is cheaper at another shop. Give me your best price. Always speak politely while bargaining. Politely bargaining. Sentences 26 through 35. Let's continue with polite bargaining. Repeat carefully. Can you lower the price, please? This is a bit costly for me. I am a regular customer. Please make it a little cheaper. That sounds fair. When you agree or disagree. Okay, I will take it. Sorry, I can't buy it at this price. I will think about it. I will come back later. Thank you for the offer. These sentences help you stay polite and confident. Quality and quantity. Sentences 36 through 45. Quality and quantity are also important. Practice these sentences. Please give me fresh ones. These look very good. I want good quality. Please weigh it properly. That is less than 1 kilo. More useful sentences. Add a little more, please. That's enough, thank you. Please pack it properly. Do you have organic vegetables? This is good quality. Using these sentences makes shopping easy. Payment and ending. Sentences 46 through 50. Now it's time to pay and leave. Repeat after us. How much is the total? Do you accept digital payment? Here is the money. Please give me the bill. Thank you. Have a nice day. Low speed practice session. Now let's practice again slowly. How much is this? Can you give me a discount? Please give me fresh vegetables. Okay, I will take it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Learning tips. Practice 5 sentences every day. Don't translate in your mind. Think in English. Closing. If you practice these 50 sentences, your English will improve day by day. Like the video, subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor, and comment below. Which sentence will you use at the market?